For the past 4 days, the Prayoga campus has been filled with a different kind of energy. Bringing together academic coordinators and senior academic coordinators from across the field, this gathering became a space for reflection, collaboration, and growth. They arrived carrying stories from their classrooms, real challenges, real questions, real experiences. And here, those questions turned into meaningful conversations. With the academic monitoring and support team, they engaged deeply, discussing, debating, and working through challenges until clarity began to take shape. This clarity flowed into focused work, reviewing academic content and ensuring its alignment with strong pedagogical practices, because what reaches the classroom truly matters. Mentoring sessions added another layer, creating space for shared learning where experience and new perspectives came together. At the same time, their journeys from the field found a voice through interactions with the communications team where stories were shared, shaped, and prepared to inspire beyond the classroom. Amidst all this learning, there was also time to pause, connect, and laugh, strengthening bonds that go beyond work.
ಈ ಸರಿ ACEP ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ACEPಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೆಡಾಗಜಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಸರಿ ನಾವೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ 5 ದಿನ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
A health camp was also organized, a gentle reminder that at Prayoga, care goes beyond work. Because this isn't just a team, it's a family. Over these 4 days, the campus became a hub of ideas, dialogue, and connection, leaving everyone with renewed clarity, stronger collaboration, and a shared purpose to create meaningful impact in classrooms.
ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸರ್ಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೆಡಗಾಗಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು.